In the vast silence of space, there exists a planet that no one had seen, but was discovered before it was ever observed. Not with telescopes, not with satellites, but with mathematics. Hi, I'm Leo, your host on Science Bite. Today we unfold the incredible story of how Neptune was found, not by chance, but by the language of the universe itself. Let's begin the cosmic journey. After Uranus was discovered in 1781, astronomers were thrilled. A new world had joined the solar family. But there was a problem. As Uranus moved across the night sky, its orbit misbehaved. It lagged. It jumped ahead. It didn't obey Newton's laws as it should. Was Newton wrong? Or was there another object, still hidden, tugging silently on Uranus's path? It was a celestial riddle, and two brilliant minds decided to solve it. John Couch Adams, an English mathematician barely out of university, dove into calculations. He believed that by measuring Uranus's deviations, he could triangulate the location of the hidden object. In France, Urbain Le Verrier, confident and rigorous, did the same, unaware of Adams' work. Both worked alone. Both followed logic. Both reached the same conclusion. A massive planet, farther than Uranus, was waiting to be discovered. Le Verrier took the bold step. He sent his predictions to the Berlin Observatory. Johann Galle, an astronomer in Berlin, received Le Verrier's letter. He pointed his telescope exactly where the letter instructed. What happened next was no less than cosmic poetry. He saw it, a blue orb, shimmering faintly, almost exactly where the math had predicted. Neptune. It was the first time in human history that a planet had been predicted, and then found, using mathematics alone. This wasn't just about Neptune. It was about the power of reason. Le Verrier's and Adams's calculations had bent reality to their will. With only a pen, paper, and the laws of gravity, they peered across billions of kilometers and touched a world no human had ever seen. Galileo Galilei once said, "The universe is written in the language of mathematics." Neptune was no longer just a theory. It was real. And it was beautiful. When Voyager 2 finally visited Neptune in 1989, it revealed a stormy, violent world. The fastest winds in the solar system, over 2,000 kilometers per hour. A dark blue ball of gas, methane, and mystery. Despite being the furthest planet from the Sun, after Pluto's reclassification, Neptune burns with dynamic weather and magnetic fields, proof that distance doesn't mean silence. It reminded us that just because something is invisible doesn't mean it's inactive. The discovery of Neptune changed astronomy forever. It proved that human intellect could not only observe the universe, but predict it. And today we use the same method, looking at wobbles in distant stars to find exoplanets. Planets around other stars, hidden from our view, but revealed through mathematics. Each time we find one, we honor the legacy of Neptune. Some scientists believe there may be another planet, a planet 9, lurking far beyond Neptune. It too affects orbits, subtly. It too has never been seen. Could history repeat itself? Could math lead us once again to a hidden world? If Neptune taught us anything, it's this. The universe whispers in numbers. We just need to listen. From wobbles in orbits to worlds revealed, Neptune is proof that we are not just observers of the cosmos. We are participants in its unfolding. Thanks for joining me on this journey. I'm Leo, and this is Science Bite. Like, share, and subscribe for more voyages through the mind and the stars. Because in the grand cosmic ocean, sometimes the greatest discoveries begin with a simple question.